Right, so another quick video about another one of my new books. Well, I say new, but this one's been out for a little while, maybe a couple of months. But again, I just didn't have a chance to order my copy, so it's been out for a little while. Bushcraft and Survival Deadfall traps. This one is about 77 pages long, so it's probably one of the bigger ones I've done. Some of the traps in here, some of you would have seen before if you bought my other books, and this has got new ones in as well, so I'll show you, because this one is specifically about deadfall traps rather than snare traps or birds traps or specific animals. It's just about deadfalls. So that's the contents if you can see it. You can always pause this if you want to have a look. So it's got pictures, drawn pictures and photographs in this one, black and white. I could do these books in colour, but the thing is, if I do them in colour, this book would probably cost about 12 quid. Whereas if I do it in black and white, I can sell this book for £5 and I can still make some money on that. And that is about the I'm sure this one is on Amazon for about £5. So it's on Amazon worldwide, everywhere, roughly about £5, maybe £5–6. I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll put some links in the description there for him. It's all sorts of different deadfalls. Yeah, so I did this one a little while ago. Like I said, I just never had a chance to actually get my copy so I could show you. And I like to actually show people the book rather than just show screenshots. Yeah, so it's roughly about £5–6 quid on every Amazon site. Oh, and you can get these in the ebook version for even cheaper there, but it's about probably 2 quid as an ebook or whatever they call it, Kindle version. If you're interested, have a look. I'll put some links in the description and that. And yeah, right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.